Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate gym membership registration via WhatsApp. For example, you have a gym and you got many registration from your users at once. Responding each and every user manually is a time-consuming, also a very hectic task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So before we dive into creating an automated WhatsApp chatbot for handling gym membership registration, let me give you a quick overview of how this chatbot functions and how it interacts with user in real time. Imagine a potential customer send a message in my WhatsApp business account like join gym. Then you can see the bot will instantly respond with a list message containing available membership plan. When I'll click on this open list button, then you can see it will provide me the multiple plans options such as 1 month plan, 3 month plan and 6 month plan, including their fees. Let's say I'm going to select as 1 month plan. Immediately you can see the chatbot will reply to me like this, that please share your full name for the registration. So here I am sharing my full name as a test user. After entering the name, then the bot asks for the contact number to confirm the registration. So here I am giving them one test contact number. Here I shared. Once I provide the contact number, then you can see the bot shares a secure payment link and display message that is, once you have made the payment, kindly share the transaction ID here so we can confirm and activate your membership right away. So here I am doing the payment by clicking on this. After completing the payment, I am going to provide the transaction ID. Here I shared transaction ID. Then you can see it will respond to us like this, that congratulations test user, your membership is confirmed and all set to start your fitness journey with us. If you want to create this powerful WhatsApp automation to handle gym membership registration, simply follow the step-by-step direction I am giving you in this video. So without any further delay, let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's enable you to automate messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Now let me give you a quick overview of the Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community. It is a special space where all users of Pabbly, whether beginner or experts, come together to ask questions, share ideas and help each other. If you are stuck anywhere while using Pabbly, you can post your doubt here and other users or even the Pabbly team might help you out. You will also find useful tips, updates and examples for real users. So it's a great place to learn and connect with others who are using Pabbly just like you. If you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. Now we will get back to our Pabbly Chatflow page. So here on the right hand side you can see two options are there, sign in and sign up. If you are a new user, then you can click on the sign up option to create your account and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I'll go ahead and click on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you can see this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. If you click on this, then you can see it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might use for scanning a QR code or WhatsApp number integration. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. If you click on this, then you can see it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Now in this section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account, while in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want a detailed video of how to add WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here on the left hand side, you can see the different features of Pabbly Chatflow, where the first is the inbox, in where you can see and manage all of your WhatsApp conversation in one place. The next one is the contacts. Contacts lets you view, manage and organize your customer contact detail. The third one is the team queues. Team queues help you assign chats to different team members for better handling. The next one is the template, is where you can create and manage pre-approved WhatsApp message templates. The next one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to multiple users at once. The next one is the flow, where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The next one is AI Assistant, in where you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. The next one is the activity log, where you can see the complete history of actions and messages that occurs within the last 7 days. The next one is the settings, in where you can customize your account preferences and configuration. And the last one is the get help, which provide access to support, tutorials and community assistant when needed. If you want a detailed explanation of these features, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this flow option. So this is the Flow Builder page, where you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. Here you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. It will create it without requiring any programming skills. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of creating a WhatsApp chatbot, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot that automates gym membership registration via WhatsApp, so here I am writing a name. Here I write, now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. So this is the trigger point of creating a WhatsApp chatbot, in where at first you have to select the trigger event. If you click on this, it will provide you multiple trigger event to start your flow. The first one is the keyword/regex, triggers when a user message contains specific keywords or matches a regular expression pattern. The second one is the user start conversation. This triggers when a user sends the first message to initiate a chat. The next one is the WhatsApp template delivered, then contact added, then contact added to contact list. After that the custom field update, contact's birthday and tag assigned. It is coming soon. Here I am going with keyword/regex. Keywords are those words that I expect that my user sends to me. And the regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. Now let's get started. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords. So here I am entering some keywords. Join gym. After typing the keyword, simply press enter to add it to the list. Next I am adding two more relevant keywords, that is sign up and membership. These are the common phrases when your users might use for membership registration in your gym. As you can see, I have added a total of 3 keywords. So far you are not limited to just these. You can add many keywords depending on your user's requirement. Now, whenever a user sends any of the predefined keywords such as join gym, sign up or membership to your WhatsApp business number, then your AI chatbot will instantly respond to them with a structured list of membership plans. To set this, I am using the list button. I'll simply drag this box here. Here you can see this box is divided in 3 parts, that is header, body and footer. Header is the optional. If you want to include a title or greeting here, you can. In my case, I leave it blank. Then this is where I am entering the main message. For example, we have the following membership plan. Now the next is the footer. Again, this is an optional. I leave it blank in this step. Next, I'll click on this edge section where you can define the section title that I am going to write as available plans. Then click on add items to add each membership plan as a list item. For example, 1 month, 3 months or 6 months plan. You may also include short description for each plan if desired, or leave the description field empty. This layout allows your customer to easily view and choose from multiple membership options, making the chatbot experience smooth, interactive and user friendly. So here I am writing the first membership plan, that is 1 month plan, and in the description box I am going to write the price. After that, I want to add some more plans. For that, I am again clicking on this plus add items button. The process of adding items would be the same. Here I am adding 2 more plans. Here I added. After that, I am connecting the starting point of my flow to this list message, because as soon as my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then my bot will provide them all the membership plans. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here my trigger point is connected to my message. Now whenever my users wants to register for any of these plans, that is 1 month, 3 month or 6 months, then at first my bot will ask them about their full name. For that, I am clicking on this action option and take button as ask a question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing a question as please share your full name for the registration. For that, we are going to select the contact custom field. Now I'll give you how you can create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account. For that, you have to go in the setting option and go in this contact custom field option. Here you can see it will provide you an interface where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. For creating a new, you have to click on this option, add more fields, and then write the name of the field. Here we are going to write the field name as full name. Here I write it. Then you have to click on this button, save button. See, your contact custom field is saved successfully. After that, we will get back to our flow. Here we are going to select our contact custom field as full name that we have created recently. After that, I am going to select the format as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and if you want to write any validation message for your users, then you can write in this box. Now I am connecting all these 3 circles to this message, because whenever my user will select any of this membership plan, then at first my bot will ask them about their full name, then their contact number, after that the payment details. For that, I am again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here and writing a question as can you please provide your contact number for membership confirmation? For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as contact number and the format I'll select as any. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Connection plays the major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now, whenever my user will provide me their contact number as well as their full name, then my bot will tell them to make a payment for membership plan. For that, I am again taking one ask a question button, drag this question box here and writing a message as that you are just one step away from activating your membership plan and starting your fitness journey. Please complete your payment securely by clicking the link below. I also provided one link and the message that once you have made the payment, kindly share the transaction ID here so we can confirm and activate your membership right away. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as transaction ID and the format I'll select as any. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will provide me their transaction ID after doing the successful transaction by clicking on this link, then my bot will respond to them. For that I'm clicking on this action option and take button as add tag button. Here it will provide us one add tag button box. I'll drag this box here. This tag is allow you to label a user based on their response or action during a conversation with your chatbot. It will work like when a user reaches a specific step in your chatbot. For example, they have selected any of the membership plan, then you can use add tag to attach a predefined label to that user. Here we are going to create a tag by name gym member. For that I'm going to click on this create tag button. Here it will ask you to provide the name of your tag. So here I am writing the tag. Here I write that is gym member. After that you can also enable this. That will allows auto tagging if the user's first message matches. Then you have to click on this add tag button. Here you can see our tag saved successfully. After that I'm going to select my tag as gym member. After that I'm connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will provide me their name, contact number and done the payment, then at last my bot will give them one membership registration confirmation message. For that I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I am going to write my ending message. Here I write that is congratulations with dollar symbol full name. You can see I'll use this dollar symbol before full name because with the help of this symbol, my bot will respond to my users by their name. As different users have different name, so for sending their name dynamically, we will use the symbol. This symbol will make the full name dynamic. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automatically done gym membership registration via WhatsApp. This chatbot will instantly respond to your users and complete their gym membership registration within a seconds without any manual effort. It is easy to use, save times and ensure a seamless experience for both your business and your customers. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This chatbot will automatically respond to your users in real time and seamlessly complete their gym membership registration instantly and efficiently. The best part is it does not require any coding or programming skills. The entire automation is created effortlessly by using Pabbly Chatflow, a powerful no-code platform for building conversational workflow on WhatsApp.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. So go and create your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.